In this video, I'm going to show you how to refill all of the ink cartridges listed here. First of all, remove the label from the cartridge. Either use your fingers or a craft knife to peel back the edge to reveal the relevant fill holes. Unless you have a particularly thin needle attached to your syringe, you will need to widen the fill hole now. I recommend using a 2mm drill piece or a square shafted awl. Now fill a syringe with cyan ink and inject it slowly into the hole for the relevant chamber. Repeat this process for the magenta ink, and finally, repeat for the yellow ink. We recommend injecting the amount of ink mentioned at the bottom of this video. If however there is still some ink in the cartridge, you may notice the ink start to overflow. If this happens, simply suck around 1 ml of ink from the top of the cartridge. And now wipe away any excess ink from the lid of the cartridge with some tissue paper. Now reapply the label or cover the holes using a small piece of tape that is no bigger than the lid. This tape should never overlap the sides, as this may stop the cartridge being installed back into your printer. With the refill complete, reinstall the cartridge and perform 2 to 3 cleaning cycles using your printer or printer software. If you're unsure how to do this for your particular model, please consult your user manual. It is perfectly normal for your printer to believe that the cartridge is still empty or low. Once your Canon printer believes the cartridge is empty, it will ask for a small prompt from you before it continues printing. This is usually holding down your printer's stop, reset or resume button for 5 seconds. If in doubt, make sure you've read all of the messages given to you in full. I hope you found this video useful. If however you have any further questions, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you.